Hi Akshay Bhaiya, hi everyone, hi J, Janeja and Jane Jahangir, hi Kamini, hi Anish. I'm absolutely fine. I'm not going to be taking anybody live with me today because I have a small announcement actually that's to be made, and that is I'm just waiting for a few more people to join because there's a very special announcement actually that I have to make, and I'm eagerly we've been eagerly waiting to make this happen, and thank you so much. I'm absolutely fine, Hina. आप कैसे हो? I hope everything is fine in your end, and just waiting for a bit of gathering of people because we want to announce something very special that's happening, and there is a small thing that we've been working on. Hi Karishma, hi from the West Indies, Suriname. That's I think my dad has a lot of love from y'all in West Indies, so thank you so much. Hi Karishma. Karishma, if you're free, then I would like to take you live with me because I need to have a bit of traffic, or you could just tell your friends. Okay, so guys, basically the point of this entire live, I'm just going to be live for a very small time, is that we during this COVID and this lockdown had a very tough task of recording an entire video outdoors and shooting it and getting it done, and it was a very big task. And finally today we are releasing the version of Khairiyat that we have made. That's my version of Khairiyat, and there is a beautiful team that I've had that's worked so hard with me to make this happen, and I'm just going to be uploading it on YouTube actually. So I just thought I should do a small live and announce it. Hi Ankita, how are you? So guys, we're going to be debuting with our version of Khairiyat, and I really hope you guys like it. I'm going to be putting the link everywhere on the profile on my I'm going to be doing a small post with it, and I really hope that you guys love it, because trust me, this song is already very beautiful, but I think we've not let anybody down with this number, because it's a tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput from our end, and it's a very touchy subject, but I think we've done a good job, and I'm sure you guys are going to like it as well. So please like, share, subscribe, and there are a lot of new people that I've been working with them for a long time, but I want you guys to meet them as too, and that's my team. Akshay Bhaiya, Sagar Bhaiya, Jeff Bhaiya, these guys have been with us since so long, and finally we decided to take it out into the open and do something about our work. So we have Jeff Hunt, who's a phenomenal programmer. He is one of the best that I've met, and he and me we go a long way back actually, because we've done a lot of work together. This is the first time that we have publicized our work. We are going to come public with our entire work. And okay, Jeff Bhaiya is also here. So Jefford Hunt is the first person that I would like to mention. The second one is Sagar. So Sagar Satam, he's directed our video, and with the kind of restrictions we've had in our lockdown and everything that has happened, the manual labor that this man has put in has been phenomenal. Right from creeping into places where the camera couldn't go, to places where it was very dangerous to walk in and stuff. Sagar Bhaiya has really put in all the efforts. And the third person that I would like to introduce to you guys is Akshay Titame. He was the supervisor, technical head supervisor, visual supervisor, and everything. And with a very limited with a very limited pool of resources that we've had, we've tried to give you the best that we could give. It's got an emotional connect to it, the video, and the song. I got I was really in the song. The feel of the song that I had was amazing because, well, who knew that Sushant Singh Rajput would not be with us, and we did not know that he would leave us so soon. But once I did the song, I recorded the song, we were all very into the song. And तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम कई गुजारे, मौसम ही ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे, नजरों के सामने मैं आता नहीं तुम्हारे, मगर रहते हो हर पल मंजर में तुम हमारे। गर इश्क से है मिला फिर दर्द से क्या गिला, इस दर्द में जिंदगी खुशहाल है, ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। ओ खैरियत पूछो. So this was just a couple of lines for y'all. John sir is here. Hi sir, how are you? So guys, yeah, this is the video and I'm going to be posting it on our YouTube channel. Please give us your support, your blessings, because we have done a lot of hard work on this one, and it is a very emotional connect because we lost someone. We lost a talent like Sushant Singh Rajput on a very early time. It was too young a time for him to, like, leave us. But and this is something that we want to give as a tribute to that man's memory. So I'm going to be putting up the YouTube video now, and I really hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for joining me on my live, and I will be sharing the details very soon. So please look forward to it. This is me, Jan Kumar Sanu, signing off right now, and I want you to go and show a lot of love to my video Khairiyat that is coming out right now.